Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set your membership tiers as your default option on your Ko-fi homepage. So as you can see here, I'm on my Ko-fi page guys, and if I refresh you will see that it shows the donation as the default, but I also have membership. So what if I want this to be default option? Once I refresh my page, it's very easy to do. Go ahead and click the home on the upper right hand side, and once you're here, go ahead and click on settings, then click on payments here. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find a section that says default to membership. It's a new option that's there. Once you go ahead and turn this on, it will make sure that memberships are now the default. And if I go back to my home page again in the upper right hand side, you will now see that membership is now showed as the default and no longer one time. So if I refresh again, you will see it will show the membership. So if this is what you want to show first guys, this is how you basically do it. Very easy and very simple.